Hey traders, in this video, I want to show you the very accurate trading and scalping strategy that has a very high win rate. The strategy we are using in this video can be used to trade in any markets, such as forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency. The best time frame for this strategy is 5-minute, which is a very good time frame for scalping. For this video, we will use the Ethereum USD pair with the 5-minute time frame. Watch this video until the end to learn how to use these easy-to-use trading strategies. This trading strategy consists of only 2 indicators, which makes this strategy easy to learn. The first indicator is CM slingshot system, which is the indicator right here. Next, we need to change the settings of the CM slingshot system. You need to uncheck all the boxes within this indicator. Now we can see how this indicator is seen in the chart. This indicator shows a very accurate red and green lines that predicts the price movement. When this line turns into green, that means it should buy signal. In opposite, when the red line appears, that means it is time to sell. We see that this example trade is very profitable. Let's test it for one more trade. Now this trade is not profitable because the signals provided by this indicator are too aggressive. Because of that, we will need a confirmation indicator. The second indicator will be a customized version of MACD, which is MACD VXI. Next, we need to customize this indicator. Set the fast length value into 17. Then set the slow length into 34. This indicator will filter the bad trades from good trades, which will make our strategy more profitable. Now it is time to trade using this strategy. The rules of this strategy are simple. First, we need to make sure the CM slingshot lines are changed to green. Next, make sure that our custom MACD is in the green zone. When that happens, it's time for a buy trade. Set the stop loss at the swing low price and then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. This will be our winning trade. Now we will watch how to enter a short trade using this strategy. The conditions are simple. First, we need to make sure the CM slingshot lines are changed to red. Next, make sure that our custom MACD is in the red zone. When that happens, it's time for a short trade. Set the stop loss at the swing high price and then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. This trade is very profitable. Now we have seen how this strategy works both in buy and short market trends. Let's test this strategy. We have finished testing our strategy and here is the results. As you can see, the winning rate of this strategy is 42% and our account size has increased by 65% within 100 trades. That means this strategy is making some good money. In conclusion, this strategy works very good for trading. But this is not the end. This strategy can be further customized to increase the profitability. Let me show you how to improve this strategy. Here is an example of bad signals from this trade. As you can see, the price is in sideways market, which is a bad time for trading. Because of that, we will add another filter indicator to prevent us from entering this kind of trades. We will add an volatility indicator here. When the volatility meter is jumping like this, we should avoid a trade from this entry, which can save us money from a losing trade. Another way to improve this strategy is by adding the ATR stop loss finder to calculate where we should place our stop losses. The ATR indicator helps us place better stop losses because it calculates where to place a stop loss based on market volatility, which can improve our profits. This indicator can also measure the volatility of the market, so we know when to enter or when to exit.